From the dawn of humanity, we have gazed up at the stars and wondered. The night sky, with its twinkling lights, has always been a source of mystery and inspiration. Were we alone in the vast expanse of the cosmos? This question has echoed through the ages, resonating in the hearts and minds of countless generations. Ancient cultures spun tales of gods and monsters residing in the heavens, their stories reflected in the constellations. These celestial narratives were more than just stories. They were a way to explain the unexplainable. These myths, passed down through generations, spoke to a deep human desire to understand our place in the universe. They provided comfort and a sense of belonging in a vast, often incomprehensible world. In Egypt, Nut, the sky goddess, stretched across the heavens, her body adorned with stars. She was a symbol of the sky's protective embrace, a celestial mother watching over her children. The ancient Greeks told of Icarus, who flew too close to the sun on wings of feathers and wax. His story is a timeless reminder of human ambition and the consequences of overreaching. And across the globe, indigenous cultures wove intricate narratives of celestial beings, their lives intertwined with the movements of the sun, moon, and stars. These stories were not just entertainment, they were integral to their cultural identity and understanding of the world. These stories, though rooted in mythology, hint at a universal fascination. They reveal a shared human curiosity and a desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. The idea of life beyond Earth has captivated our imaginations for centuries, fueling countless works of art, literature, and more recently, film. From ancient myths to modern sci-fi, the allure of the unknown has always been a powerful force. But what does science have to say about the possibility of extraterrestrial life? As our understanding of the universe has grown, so too has our ability to search for answers. In the 20th century, we began to shift from speculation to scientific inquiry. The advent of modern astronomy and space exploration opened new frontiers in our quest for knowledge. No longer content with myths and legends, we began to develop the tools and technologies needed to search for evidence of life beyond our own planet. Today, our quest continues, driven by the same curiosity that has always guided us. The idea of aliens visiting Earth has been a recurring theme in popular culture, particularly in the 20th and 21st centuries. From H.G. Wells' War of the Worlds to Steven Spielberg's E.T. the Extraterrestrial, our fascination with extraterrestrial visitors has taken many forms. These stories often reflect our own hopes and fears. Some portray aliens as benevolent beings, here to guide us towards a brighter future. Others depict them as hostile invaders, intent on conquering our planet and enslaving humanity. The cultural impact of these narratives is undeniable. They have shaped our perceptions of extraterrestrial life and influenced our expectations of what contact might look like. However, it's important to remember that these are works of fiction, not scientific predictions. While they can be entertaining and thought-provoking, we must separate the realm of science fiction from the realm of scientific inquiry. The search for extraterrestrial life requires rigorous scientific methods and evidence-based reasoning. Today, scientists are engaged in a very real search for extraterrestrial life. Using powerful telescopes, they listen for radio signals from distant star systems, hoping to intercept a message from an advanced civilization. Others are searching for signs of life closer to home, exploring the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn for evidence of microbial life. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a fascinating field that captures the imagination. Imagine receiving a signal from another civilization, a message that confirms we are not alone in the universe. Such a discovery would be transformative, fundamentally changing our understanding of our place in the cosmos. However, finding life beyond Earth, even in its simplest forms, is a daunting task. The universe is vast, and the distances between stars are immense. But the search continues, driven by a fundamental curiosity and the hope of answering one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone? In 1961, astronomer Frank Drake developed an equation to estimate the number of potentially communicative civilizations in our galaxy. The Drake equation, as it became known, takes into account factors such as the rate of star formation, the fraction of stars with planets, and the likelihood of life arising on a suitable planet. While the Drake equation is more of a thought experiment than a precise calculation, it highlights the many factors that must align for intelligent life to emerge. It reminds us that while the universe may be teeming with planets, the conditions necessary for life as we know it are relatively rare. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens. It is about understanding the origins and evolution of life itself. By studying the conditions that give rise to life on other planets, we gain a deeper understanding of our own planet's unique history and the delicate balance of factors that allowed life to flourish here. Section 5. Life, but not as we know it, extremophiles and exoplanets. When we think of life, we often picture creatures that need oxygen to breathe and water to survive. We imagine lush forests, vibrant oceans, and diverse ecosystems teeming with familiar forms of life. But what if life elsewhere has found different ways to thrive? What if alien life forms have adapted to environments vastly different from our own? On Earth, scientists have discovered extremophiles, organisms that can survive in extreme environments, pushing the boundaries of what we thought life could endure. From the boiling hot springs of Yellowstone to the frigid depths of the Arctic Ocean, where temperatures plunge below freezing. These extremophiles demonstrate that life is incredibly adaptable and can exist in conditions we once thought impossible. They thrive in acidic lakes, radioactive waste, and even deep underground. This discovery has profound implications for the search for extraterrestrial life. It expands our understanding of where life might be found beyond Earth. It suggests that life may exist in places we never thought to look, in environments that are harsh and unforgiving by our standards, on planets and moons that we previously considered uninhabitable, where conditions are extreme and unlike anything on Earth. The discovery of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars, has further fueled the search for extraterrestrial life. These distant worlds offer new possibilities and hope. With thousands of exoplanets already discovered, each one unique in its own way, and many more waiting to be found, the universe is teeming with potential. The possibility of finding a planet capable of supporting life seems more likely than ever before. The search continues, driven by the hope that we are not alone in the cosmos. Section 6. Contact Hopes, Fears, and Hollywood Dreams. The possibility of contact with an extraterrestrial civilization is both exhilarating and terrifying. Hollywood has explored these hopes and fears in countless films, from the awe-inspiring arrival of benevolent aliens in Close Encounters of the Third Kind to the devastating invasion depicted in Independence Day. While these films are entertaining, they often rely on sensationalism and ignore the complexities of interstellar communication. The vast distances between stars pose a significant challenge, meaning any exchange of messages would likely take decades, if not centuries. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of contact are enormous. Imagine the knowledge and wisdom we could gain from a civilization that has been around for millions of years. The possibilities for scientific advancement, cultural exchange, and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe are truly awe-inspiring. Section 7. The Cosmic Mirror. Learning about ourselves through the other. The search for extraterrestrial life is not just about finding aliens, it's also a journey of self-discovery. By contemplating the possibility of other intelligent beings in the universe, we are forced to confront fundamental questions about our own nature. What does it mean to be human? What are our values, our beliefs, our place in the grand scheme of things? These questions take on new significance when we consider the possibility of encountering a civilization with its own unique history, culture, and perspective. The encounter with the other has always been a catalyst for growth and change. By stepping outside our own limited perspective, we gain a broader understanding of ourselves and the world around us. The discovery of extraterrestrial life, should it ever occur, would be the ultimate encounter with the other, forcing us to reevaluate everything we thought we knew about ourselves and our place in the cosmos. Section 8. A Universe of Possibilities, Astrobiology and the Future. The study of extraterrestrial life is a relatively new field, but it is rapidly evolving. With each passing year, our understanding of the cosmos and the potential for life beyond Earth grows exponentially. Astrobiology, the study of the origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life in the universe, is a multidisciplinary field that draws on expertise from astronomy, biology, chemistry, geology, and planetary science. This collaborative approach allows scientists to piece together the complex puzzle of life's potential in the vast expanse of space. As our technology advances, we are developing increasingly sophisticated tools for detecting signs of life beyond Earth. These tools range from powerful telescopes to intricate laboratory instruments designed to analyze extraterrestrial samples. New telescopes, both ground-based and space-based, are being built with the capability of analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets for telltale signs of biological activity. These advancements bring us closer to identifying planets that may harbor life. The future of astrobiology is bright with promise. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are constantly refining our methods and expanding our horizons. With each new discovery, we are one step closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone? The quest to find life beyond Earth is not just a scientific endeavor, but a profound journey that touches on our deepest curiosities and existential questions. And whether we find evidence of microbial life on a distant moon or receive a message from an advanced civilization across the galaxy, the impact of such a discovery would be profound, forever changing our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. The implications of finding life elsewhere would ripple through every aspect of human thought, from philosophy to religion, and reshape our view of the cosmos. Section 9. Our place in the cosmos. A final thought. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remember that the search for extraterrestrial life is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a deeply human one. It is driven by our innate curiosity, our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. Whether or not we are alone in the universe remains to be seen, but the very act of searching, of reaching out into the vast expanse of space, speaks volumes about who we are as a species. It is a testament to our intelligence, our ingenuity, and our enduring sense of wonder. And perhaps, just perhaps, somewhere out there, another civilization is looking up at the stars, asking the same questions we are.